Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce special Android 8.0 head unit special for Suzuki Grand Vitara 25 to 2011 years. Okay, here is the box. Let me unbox. Okay, you can check the units with good condition. This is the head unit. Let me introduce harness it first. You can check this as a special harness for Suzuki. It's radio antenna. Okay, and you can check Suzuki Grand Vitara power cable. Okay, it comes with GPS antenna, remote controller, and 2 USB cable. You can connect back of head units to USB cable and external microphone. Okay, this camera in cable, camera input, audio cable. This is subwoofer, video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, this audio cable rear and front, left and right. Okay, external microphone and mini front USB cable. This AUX cable. Now you can check this AUX left input and right input. Okay, it's video input. Okay, and the original USB, factory USB. Okay, let me show the units. Let me take out the plastic. Drum agent. Here is the head units, 7-inch. You can check side and right side. Okay, you can check. Please take out this two screw before using. You can check back this radio antenna, Wi-Fi antenna connectors, fuse, power connector, GPS connector. Okay. It have DVD player. Let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, you can check button light will on. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, this is UI interface. Okay, you can check this fast response. You can install wallpaper. Okay, already installed. And check setting system. You can check this model is PX5 Octa Core Android version is 8.0 oreo. Okay, come back to home. Okay, that's all. Thank you.